Hello, everyone. This is Tom Fox back again with another of our Compliance Week 2024 Speaker Preview Series podcast. Today, I'm absolutely thrilled to have with me Vince Walden. Vince, first of all, welcome and thank you so much for taking the time to visit with me today.
Hi, Tom. So glad to be here. Thank you for having me on the show.
Vince, could you remind our audience your current role in compliance?
Yeah, after almost 2 decades of being in the consultancy Big Four space, I'm now CEO of Kona AI, which is an award-winning AI-driven software compliance monitoring platform that uses AI and machine learning combined with thousands of tests around anti-corruption, risk and controls to identify high-risk vendors, customers, and employees at the transaction level, not just at due diligence, but actually through the payment and transaction process. So it's really exciting software, and it's great to be helping so many companies find hidden money.
Vince, you are one of Compliance Week 2024's conference co-chairs, and you're also chairing a panel entitled Aligning Your Compliance Program to DOJ Data Analytics Expectations. Could you give us maybe a teaser of your panel?
Yeah, Tom, I'm so excited about this kind of dream panel that I was able to put together. I'll be moderating a panel, and as you described, aligning your compliance program to DOJ's data analytics expectations. And last year, a lot of conversation and topics were just around the document as a whole. But what are they specifically looking at from an analytics expectations perspective? And I've put together three panelists, one from a legal perspective, Aaron Brown Jones, who's a partner at Latham and Watkins, and then also the corporate perspective from a large global multinational, Jason Kahn, who's corporate VP, Deputy Chief Compliance Officer at Comcast Corporation. They're doing some really innovative things. And also Andrew McBride, who is former Chief Risk and Compliance Officer of Almar, who's actually gone through the DOJ FCPA matter and how they were able to demonstrate an effective program using data analytics. So that combination of kind of a legal perspective, a corporate compliance program that necessarily hasn't recently gone through a DOJ or an FCPA matter, and then a corporation that has gone through a DOJ matter, getting their perspectives on how they're aligning their data analytics program to the DOJ's expectations will be really interesting in terms of our questions. So for those attending, please join our session on Wednesday at 4:05 p.m.
Vince, as I mentioned, you're also one of the conference co-chairs, and I'm not quite sure what that role means for you, but could you say a few words about your participation in that role and maybe some of the key talks or presentations that you are really looking forward to?
Yeah, I'm excited to be co-chairing this, which means I'll be emceeing one of the days. I think it'll be on Wednesday, but I'm not sure. It's subject to change. But there's going to be so many presentations on such a diverse group of speakers. Obviously, AI is going to be important. We've been doing a lot of development in that area. Compliance Week has done some great innovative things with helping build out their large language models that I think we'll be hearing from. Certainly, a lot of ESG will be the topics, as well as just overall whistleblower hotline effectiveness, etc. So there's going to be a lot of good content. I encourage people to go onto the Compliance Week website and look at their 3-day agenda. It's such a broad risk of categories, from emerging risk areas to corporate compliance, national protecting national security. There's going to be some good themes and great speaker lineup.
Vince, could you maybe share with us one or two of the things you're looking forward to at Compliance Week 2024 this year?
Yeah, separate from my panel, Kona AI will be exhibiting there. And it's always so much fun to talk to people one-on-one. Again, we do so many video Zooms and online meetings. It's great to see both our customers and our colleagues together in one place and meeting and networking. So I really enjoy doing that. It's funny, my team calls me Demo Boy. Even as a CEO, I love running demos. I love showing the software capabilities, the kind of oohs and ahs. One of the things we're still deploying, and we talked about it last year, and we actually have made a lot more progress in the chat bots that we're developing from an AI perspective. Gone are the days where you're going to be just clicking around your dashboards in Power BI or Tableau. We are now going to be using chat bots that don't have to go out to OpenAI. They stay within your environment, but the chatbots are going to be pushing your dashboard. So you can say, show me my riskiest transactions in Brazil, or show me my riskiest transactions within this date to this date that have a certain keyword. And the data, the bots will mine that data and present it for you versus having to click and drag and navigate down towards a transaction. So I really love showing some of the latest innovations that we've been working on at Compliance Week. And so I look forward to kind of.
Vince, I just realized while you were talking that we are literally 2 weeks away from the start of Compliance Week 2024. Wow. So I greatly look forward to seeing you co-chair and seeing your panel. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Tom. Thanks for having me on the show.